Okay, so on an island of music in a city of drum beats, the girl dreamed. What did she dream of?
Playing drums.
Yes, she wanted to become a drummer. Okay. Of pounding tall conga drums, tapping small bongo drums, and boom, boom, booming with long, loud sticks on. Uh, sorry. With long, loud sticks, children mute, on big, round, silvery, moon bright timbales. So here the poet is saying of tall conga drums. Congos you might have seen. Those are round tall drums are known as congos. And drums, I will show you which are drums. I have a drum set at my place. I'll show you the drums. Can you see this?
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
all? This is a drum set. Okay, so you will understand the different Congo also I had, but it's not right now available. So Congo and drums. There is a difference. I just told you what are drums. Congo. There are three drums in that. The tall ones. Okay, it is played with fingers. Now this one is played with sticks, long sticks. You want to see the sticks also? Children, speak up quickly.
Oh, mom.
I'll show you the sticks. Now the Congo is played with your fingers, with your palms, hands. Okay, but now this is known as drums, and these are the sticks. Okay, these are the sticks used for playing the drum, and Congo is played with fingers. Right. So this girl, she wanted to learn the art of playing Congo and also the drums. Okay, she was very much interested in play. So she kept on dreaming. She kept on dreaming of pounding tall Congo, means playing the tall Congo drums, tapping small bongo drums. Now Congos are big, bongos are again circular in shape and small. Okay, they are small, very small. So she wanted that also, and boom boom booming with long loud sticks, and boom boom booming with long loud sticks. Now she's talking about the drums that I showed you the ones which were available right now, which I have just shown. So these she's talking about with long loud sticks on big round silvery moonlight timbales. What are timbales? Single-headed drums with metal casing. If you saw these drums, these are the round. The casing is metal. Did you see?
Yes, ma'am.
These drums, the casing means the side boundary. You can say it is big, round, and silver. So she wants to play the Congo, the bongo, and also these drums. These all three of these things come in the category of drums only. Bongo, Congo, and these drums. Okay. But everyone on the island of music in the city of drum beats believed that only boys should play drums. Now there was a girl who was keenly waiting, who actually wanted to learn the art of playing drums, but the people here, they actually believed that only the boys should play the drums. Now this was a tradition, you can say, this whatever you can say, it was a myth, or obviously in India also you have seen girls are not allowed to do a lot of things, right? It is only the boys who can do a lot of things, and girls are considered not good doing if they try to do all those things. So here also in the city of Cuba, the girls were not allowed to play the drums. It was believed that only the boys could play the drums. So the drum dream girl had to keep dreaming, quiet, secret, drumbeat dreams. So this girl, she just had to keep on dreaming. She kept quiet. She kept her fascination secret. The drum beats, the dreams, everything was a secret. Children, are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I want you all to read these three paras. Read these 3-4 paras so that I can proceed. If you have any problem till here, please ask me quickly. Read and ask me if you have any problem.
No, I don't have any doubt.
Let the others read.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of pounding?
Read and tell me what is the meaning of pounding. Of pounding tall Congo drums means of playing, hitting the Congo drums. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Children, why have you muted your videos? Should I also mute and teach? Do you put your head down in the school and then study? Unmute your videos, otherwise I'll mark you absent. I can see Mrityunjay, I can see Apurv, Yatharth. Why is it so blur, beta? Sachit, I can see. Harsh also I can see. I can't see Desh. Sparsh I can see. Yatharth Verma I can see. Desh, I can't see you. Now I can see you. You will not mute your videos, okay? Otherwise I will also mute my video and then I will teach. You will not understand anything I'm telling you. Any problem in these 4 paragraphs, children?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So Mrityunjay, tell me where is this girl from? Where is this girl from, Mrityunjay? Yatharth, put a hand on your mouth, beta, when you yawn.
Yeah.
Yes, Mrityunjay, where is this girl from?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Why? You are Mrityunjay? Yes, Mrityunjay, will you please answer? Where is this girl from? Huh? Sachit, where is this girl from?
Ma'am, he message.
Okay, he messaged the girl is from Cuba. Okay, what is the name of the girl? Harsh? Harsh, can you hear?
Ma'am, the name of the girl is yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Milo Castro.
Milo Castro. Okay.
Milo Castro.
Okay. So, what is this girl fighting for, Yatharth? Yatharth Verma. What is the girl fighting for? What does she want?
Ma'am, he left.
Okay, Apurv. What is the girl fighting for?
Ma'am, she was fighting for to play drums.
She was fighting for playing drums. Why was she fighting for it? Desh, why was she fighting for it? Why she had to fight for it, dear? Desh, am I audible?
It's not written in the book.
It's not written in the book, beta, but I have told you. Why she had to fight for what she wanted to do?
She wanted to play drums.
So why does she have to why does she have to fight for it? Why couldn't she simply play the drums? What was the problem?
Because only boys were allowed to play.
Yes, because in Cuba on this island only boys were allowed to play the drums. So what did she do with the dreams? At first, what did she do with the dreams at first? What did she do with the dreams? Her aspirations at first.
What does she dream? What did she?
I'm saying at first, what did she do with the dreams? Did she instantly start fighting for it, or what did she do for it? So the drum dream girl had to keep dreaming quiet, secret, drumbeat dreams. She kept quiet. She did not tell anyone. She kept it a secret. Understood, everybody? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, when asked,
ma'am.
people do not have any problem. And when questions are asked, then you are unable to answer. This is not done. Listen to each and every word carefully, otherwise you will not understand. And each and every word has a question hidden. Okay. At outdoor cafes and that looked like gardens, she heard drums played by men. But when she closed her eyes, she could also hear her own imaginary music. So whenever she used to move out in the outdoor cafes and the gardens, she could hear men playing the drums. Okay, but when she used to close her eyes, she used to imagine herself, and she also used to imagine her own music. Means in the real life, she was listening other men playing the drums, but when she used to close her eyes at the same time, she could imagine herself playing the drums, and she could also listen to the music, her own imaginary music. There to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
When she walked under the wind-wavy palm trees in a flower-bright park, she heard the whir of parrot wings and the clack of woodpecker beaks, the dancing tap of her own footsteps, and the comforting pat of her own heartbeat. So whenever she used to walk under the palm trees in the garden, in the park, whenever she used to walk beside the flowers, beneath the trees, and she used to listen to the parrots, the sweet sound of the parrots and the woodpeckers when they do tuck 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 tuck. So she also used to listen to the woodpecker. She also used to imagine herself dancing, her own footsteps, all the things that all the noises, all the things that she used to hear. She used to think that there is music everywhere. Now if you are an artist, if you're a painter, you will find beauty everywhere. You would like to paint everything. So similarly, she wanted to become a drummer. She was interested in music, so she could listen to music everywhere. Wherever she went, it was only music which was close to her heart, and that is why everywhere only the sound of music was heard by her. Okay, even her own heartbeat used to comfort her. Are you getting it, children? Even her own heartbeat used to comfort her. She felt music in that also.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, children? Yatharth, where are you busy?
Ma'am, me?
Yeah.
Come on, read.
At carnivals, she listened to the rattling beat of towering dancers on stilts. So what are stilts? Now these are poles for the support of the
Increase height in order to height.
exactly
Increase height.
exactly. So at carnivals also means wherever she went, this girl, she used to listen to the music, she used to feel the music in every noise, in every voice, she used to just feel the music. And
But how will she feel people on stilts? How will she feel drums on people on
even when they were walking on that tuck tuck tuck, so that was also
their
music to
footsteps
her.
on
Yes,
stilts?
that those were also when she could feel music in her own heartbeat. So imagine she could feel music everywhere.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. At carnivals, sorry, and the Dragon of Clang of costume drummers wearing huge masks. At home, her fingertips roll down their own dreamy drum rhythm on table and chairs. You might have seen, we come across a lot of drummers in our church. There are many people who play the drum. So I have seen what happens with them when, they become habitual to moving their fingers. And even if they are sitting on any table, they will start tapping their fingers whenever they are free. Even if there is no table, they will just join their both hands and they will start tapping their fingers on, the fingers will start tapping, okay, automatically. They don't have to think about it, it comes to their mind instantly, right? So that is what is at home. Her fingertips rolled on out their own. At home, when she was sitting, when there was nothing to do, her fingers used to roll on their own. Dreamy drum rhythm on tables and chairs. On tables and chairs also, she used to just do like this, and the music used to come out. She was so keen at learning the drums. And even though everyone kept reminding her that girls on the island of music have never played drum, the brave drum dream girl dared to play. So here the poet is saying that everyone, when people used to see her doing this, everyone used to remind her that, on this island, only the boys are supposed to play the drums. The girl are never supposed to play the drums. Still, she used to keep on doing the same thing. She used to dare to dream. She kept on dreaming. She wanted to achieve her goal. She wanted to play the drum. She knew the impossibilities. She knew the hurdles that she had in her life, that only boys could play the drum. Still, she went on. She went on with her dream. She did not stop dreaming. This is actually the main thing, that you should not stop dreaming. You should not stop working towards your goal. Perseverance. Yesterday I told you the main theme is perseverance.
Never consider one's demoralization.
Yes.
The when
So you always have to keep on working. Many failures will come. You will face a lot of failures, but you have to keep on working to achieve your goal. Okay. Because if you might have heard, failures are the stepping stone to success. If you do not fail, how will you reach success? How will you gain success? Okay. Children, read this so that we can continue with the next page. Apur, where did the girl find the music?
You tell.
Apur will tell. Apur, where are you? Okay, left. It's okay. Might be something.
She could find music everywhere, even the clack of woodpecker beats, her own heartbeat, and the walking of just stilts. Everywhere she could find music.
Yeah, she could find music everywhere. What had she become accustomed to? What was she used to now? Whenever she used to set free, what did she used to do?
Ma'am, her fingertips
No,
rolled out.
wait. Let others answer. Sachit, what did she used to do?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes.
Ma'am, she plays.
She used to play.
She used to play her fingers and imagine like she's playing a drum.
Right. She used to roll her fingers, play with the play a rhythm with the fingers, and imagine that she was playing the drums. What did the people warn her? Desh, what did the people warn her? What did they tell her? What did the other people tell her, Desh? Yatharth Verma? Yatharth Verma? Again, you people have muted your videos. Don't know what is the problem with you all. Harsh, what did the people warn the girl about?
Ma'am, people want that in this island only boys are allowed
On
to
this
play
island,
drums.
beta, on this island.
On this island, only boys are allowed to play drums, not girls.
Right. So she was warned by the other people that on this island only boys were allowed to play the drums and not the girls.
Only boys have the right to play.
Yes. So let's come to page number 29. The brave drum dream girl dared to play tall Congo drums, small bongo drums, and big round silvery moon bright timbales. So again, what is she dreaming to play? Tall Congo drums, small bongo drums, and big round silvery moon bright timbales. Means all sort of drums she wants to play. Her hands seemed to fly as they rippled, rapped, and pounded all the rhythms of her drum dream. So whenever she used to keep on playing like this, so hands used to, it seemed, the people used to think that her hands are flying. Whenever she used to imagine herself playing the drums, her hands used to fly. Her big sisters were so excited that they invited her to join their new all-girl dance band. So all the sisters, she had some sisters, and her big sisters were so excited that they invited her to join a band. What was the name of the band?
All girl dance band.
Yes, all-girl dance band. So the sisters were so excited. They were also happy that this girl was playing the drums. So they formed a band, all-girl dance band. This was a dance band, and they invited her for the same. But their father said only boys should play drums. Now even the father, the parents are not encouraging the girls. Even he is saying that according to the tradition, my dear girls, only boys are supposed to play the drums. Okay. Children, read till here quickly. Children, quickly read till here so that I can ask questions. Right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What was the passion of the girl?
May I tell? Apu,
Yeah,
so,
boy.
and the passion of the girl was to play drums.
What did she do? What did she do to achieve her dream?
Ma'am, may I tell?
She made a band of
Ma'am,
Wait
Apu
a
told
minute.
the
Let
last.
others answer better. Harsh?
Yes. Ma'am, she was so she can also
Ma'am is disconnecting. Should I tell?
Yes.
Ma'am, to achieve this dream, she took a one step to success by inviting her big sisters who were so amazed by seeing her drumming to their new all-girl dance band.
That was done later. What did she do at first?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
she became grave and dared to play the drums, which were not allowed.
Yes, correct. What was the name of the band that she joined?
All-girl dance band. All-girl dance band. All-girl
That
dance
girl dance band. Who formed that band?
band.
Mama sister.
Milo Castro.
No, Milo Castro did not form that band.
Her sister.
What did the father tell the girl first?
just my father, father said that only boy should play drums.
Right, only boys should play the drums. What sort of drums did she want to play, Desh? What sort of drums did she want to play?
Ma'am, he muted his video and audio both and might be not here.
Sachit? Sachit. Okay. Sparsh, tell me, what sort of drums did the girl wanted to play? Did the girl want to play?
Just girl want to play bango drums,
Bongo, huh?
conga drums, and
Big round silvery moon bright drums. Okay. But their father said only boys should play the drums. The father did not encourage the girl. He also discouraged and he said that only boys were supposed to play the drums. So the drum dream girl had to keep dreaming and drumming alone. So when the parents are also not supporting, the girl had to keep on dreaming and drumming all alone. Okay. Until finally, her father offered to find a music teacher who could decide if her drums deserved to be heard. When the father saw that the girl was so passionate, the girl was so keen to play the drums, so what did the father do? The father tried to find a teacher for her. The father decided that he would go against all the odds, he would go against the people, and he will find a music teacher, and then the music teacher will decide if she is worthy, if her music is worth listening to or not. Apur, what are you doing? So a music teacher will decide. The music teacher will listen to the music played by this girl, and he will decide if the music is worth listening to or not. Clear, children? The drum dream girl's teacher was amazed. The girl knew so much, but he taught her more and more and more. So the teacher who came to listen to the music was really amazed. He was really shocked to see that the girl knew so much. And what did he do? He also encouraged the girl and he kept on teaching her more and more and more. Means he did not discourage her. He did not say that the girls cannot play the drums. Though the tradition was that the girls could not play the drums, but the teacher also encouraged the child, and whatever she knew, the teacher added to it and taught her more and more and more. Clear to you all? And she practiced,
Yes, ma'am.
and she practiced, and she practiced. So obviously the teacher can see. Here also you can see the teacher can only teach you. If you do not practice, if you do not follow up whatever has been taught, nothing will remain in your head. So even what I am teaching right now has to be revised. Otherwise, I will not be able to do anything. If you do not revise it, this girl did not practice. She would have forgot whatever the teacher taught. But she kept on practicing, and what happened? She learned to play the drums. Until the teacher agreed that she was ready to play her small bongo drums outdoors at the starlit cafe that looked like a garden. So she kept on practicing till the day the teacher said that now you are ready to go out and play the drums at the starlit cafe which looked like a garden. There was a cafe which looked like a garden. Maybe it was an open area where the cafe was built and people used to play. In the previous paragraph also you had seen on the previous page that there were the men. She used to listen to the men drumming and in the starlit cafe, and she used to dream. Yeah, she used to dream of drumming. So here now she has started playing the drums so well that the teacher has said that she can go out to the starlit cafe and she can play the bongo drums over there. There everyone who heard her drum bright music sang and danced and decided that girls should always be allowed to play drums. Now at Starlit Cafe, when she went to play the drums, people used to listen to her music. They used to become so happy. They used to dance on the drum beats, and they decided, when listening to her music, the people decided that it should not only be the boys who should be allowed to play the drums, but the girls should also be allowed for the same. And both girls and boys should feel free to dream. And it was because of this girl that people decided that not only boys but girls should also play the drum, and they should also be allowed to dream. Boys and girls should be equally given the chance to dream. So see, she kept on working for her dream. If she would have just left it, if she would have not, kept on practicing and playing, when her father said that the boys are only supposed to play the drums, she could just give away her dream and, she could become upset. But she did not listen to anybody. She was not bothered if the teacher is coming or not. That was the decision of the father. She was not at first bothered if the teacher is coming or not coming or whatever is happening. She just kept on playing. She just kept on practicing. Self-practice she did, so that at least whatever she knew, whatever she understood could be there in her heart and mind forever. And then the father took an opportunity of calling the teacher. The teacher was also amazed. The teacher saw that she was so good at it, and then he also taught her more and more and more. And this way she could reach her goal, and she could make a way for the others also to do the same. Is it a nice poem?
Yes, ma'am.
What does the poem teach us?
Ma'am, equality between girls and
It teaches us equality. Equality came later. That we should keep on working towards our goal. Perseverance is the key to everything. Okay?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, children? I want you all to read this poem, and I want you all to write a short paragraph on what your dream is and what are you doing to achieve it. Okay, what your dream in life is and what steps have you taken to achieve your goal, or what steps do you want to take in the future to achieve your goal. I want this paragraph today in the evening, okay?
About their ambition.
What you want to become in life, what your dream is, okay?
Yeah, like your ambition, right?
Right. It can be your ambition, it can be just becoming a good person, helping others, whatever. probably perhaps an ambition. You write what your ambition is, what your dream is, and then what have you done to achieve it. Some people's goal is to make their parents proud, feel happy for them. Okay, so what steps have you taken towards achieving the goal? I want this
But then
paragraph
also
to be-
you have to take some means of like making your
right. So what means have you taken? That is what I am asking. No, Yatharth. Okay.
Yes.
Chalo. Bye everybody. Have a very good day.
Bye, ma'am.
See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Bye.
Yeah.